In recent years, the construction industry has seen a huge influx of technology, which is great. As a project stakeholder, technology has enabled you to do your job faster, safer, and better. Problem is, each technology is only solving a part of the project, and data is being trapped in silos. This makes distributing the information to the people who need it a time-consuming, manual effort that eats into profit margins that are already razor-thin. It means that there's a ton of valuable project data we're not leveraging or can't access, which means we can't use it to improve and optimize project outcomes and delivery. Wouldn't you like to get everyone on your project on the same page and ensure a continuous flow of data to the right people at the right time throughout the life of the project? Autodesk BIM 360 can help. Autodesk BIM 360 provides one central location for construction professionals to store and manage project information. And BIM 360 is an open platform, which means that it can easily integrate with construction software you're already using. All your project information secured in one place, from design through construction all the way to owner handover, accessible to everyone who needs it. Want to connect your drone data to the platform? Check. Want to take care of bid management and estimating in one place? No problem. Combining BIM 360 with the construction software you already use not only enables you to centralize your construction workflows, documents, and markups in one place, but it makes it easier to create a repeatable process that helps you deliver higher quality projects with better outcomes to your clients. Start a free trial today and see how Autodesk BIM 360 can help supercharge your project.